Hello guys, my name is Keith and welcome to this course about forex trading. I'm sure this is the 80th or 90th video. So this is actually a course on my website and it's 100% free. Registration is free, certificate is free, learning is also free. If you're watching this from YouTube, make sure that you click the link in the descriptions and sign up and start learning right away. Okay, so the topic for this video is brokers in forex. So what are forex brokers? So I was supposed to make this video a first one, okay, but I'll talk about it before I forget. So forex brokers, these are actually like companies which can help us trade forex. So instead of going to the bank and buy some dollars and sell the dollars there at the bank, you can actually trade from your phone, from your computer, wherever you are, instead of going to the bank, which is safe and secure. So this is what forex brokers do. They offer us a service whereby they allow us to trade from wherever we are using our phones or laptops or computers. Yeah, and there are a lot of brokers around. Um we've got Reddit brokers. We've got fake brokers. Have to make sure that you don't fall in those scams. Yeah. So let's get started with top 10 forex brokers. Yeah. Now, as you can see here, we've got these ones listed here on the first website, and I don't know if they all apply to Zambia. I myself, I live in Zambia, and not all brokers we've seen here might support people from Zambia, but there is actually one broker of which I'll recommend you, and of which I'll talk about in the next video. So in this video, just want to talk about you, what forex brokers are, and what you need to know about them. Okay, so forex brokers, let's say they allow us to trade from wherever we are and uh, and make withdrawals and deposits easily. So what are some of the things you need to know to get started in forex trading? So the first thing you have to do is find a reputable broker which is supported in your country. For example, if you're not from Zambia, find which is supported in your country. And to open an account from a broker, you have to be at least above the age of 18. I think you need to be um hold on. Okay. Yes, you need to be above 18 years of age, and you need to possess a national registration card. Some brokers may require you to verify your identity, so you might need to have an NRC. Yeah, you also need to have, they might even ask you for proof of residence like bill payment. And for you to be able to get paid and deposit, of course, you need the bank account. You need the bank account, okay, to be able to deposit and withdraw. Okay, so if you're in Zambia and you want to get started with forex trading, do not use Zanaco bank accounts like circuit ones. This won't work. I've tried this and people have contacted me. Keith, why am I not able to deposit the money using my Zanaco bank? Yeah, the truth is that Zanaco Zapit accounts, those visas, they are not verified by Visa, meaning they do not have to, they do not have what is 3D secure or feature enabled, which means that you can't deposit money in these other websites. So if you need to get started with forex trading, open up a bank account from any bank in Zambia, apart from Zanaco. Okay. Yeah, if you really want to open the bank account quickly, the bank I would advise you to open is Standard Chartered. With Standard Chartered Bank, you can open a bank account online. Just search for Standard Bank app in Play Store and register. Yeah, they will deliver the cards to your house and everything. It's free and no monthly payments. Actually free. It's easier and that. Okay, I'm running out of time. I only had 5 minutes to talk about brokers. So in the next video, I'll talk about the broker, how to register an account, and so on. So go to the next lesson right away. Bye. This has been Keith. Bye bye.